So for this last demo, we're going to take a look at what a balanced edge device looks like. This is a device that has some CPU, some memory, maybe it even has a GPU, but it also relies on cloud services such as like LLMs, RAG agents, and other things that are available out there on the internet. This balance, depending on the application, is highly desirable because it keeps the cost of your device low. And one of the big benefits of a lower cost device is higher adoption and easier barrier of entry for individuals to purchase your device. So in this hybrid or balanced edge demo, we have a little bit more resource available to our edge device, but we're still going to offload some things that we really don't care about. And when I say we don't care about, it's not critical to our business infrastructure to build speech to text or text to speech models to do transcription and to do audio output. So we're going to defer those just using an internet connection from our device. That way we don't overload our server application. And for the critical things, the things that we actually care about, these things might be our like intellectual property or our value add to our product. We're going to handle that in our server application. And in our server application, you could be running multiple ML models, but in this demo, what we're going to do is we're going to run a DigitalOcean Gen AI agent, which is just easy button to create a RAG agent in the cloud. And it's an offering that we have available on DigitalOcean. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the demo. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start up our server application. This is going to be running on a GPU droplet on DigitalOcean. So we have a GPU, an H100 that's there. That way we can run a bunch of different AI ML models if we need, or we can also leverage our Gen AI agent or our RAG agent on DigitalOcean. So let's go ahead and start our server application right now. And for our client application, we're going to run this in a browser. Our client component is going to connect to third-party services in the cloud to handle the speech-to-text or the transcription, and also the text-to-speech to get the audio in the form for our voice agent. For our critical infrastructure, our services, we're going to connect to our server. We're going to use HTTP streaming to connect to our RAG agent that's in the back end, which is a trained Southern California travel agent. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and run this application. Computer, what's there to do in Long Beach, California?
I'm excited to help you plan your Southern California adventure. Whether you're looking for beach relaxation, city exploration, or outdoor thrills, what type of experience are you looking for, and which part of Southern California are you interested in visiting?
So pretty cool demo. You can see the speech to text here, recording what I said, and we pass this off to our LLM, which is our DigitalOcean Gen AI agent, which is a RAG agent. And then we also get the audio for the text to speech. So pretty dang cool. If you're interested to learn more about the DigitalOcean Gen AI agent, I'll have some more details here at the end of this presentation. Thanks for watching.